goes, Daryl.
That's all right, it happens. Tide's turning, that's why. You might crick if you get up there and push us off. Wait 1 second, because I think I'm getting a bite right now. I am.
I touched the water.
Okay, I got to set her up too, so. Yeah, you know when they come in waves, and usually you get a lot of small ones chewing on your bait, and then the big ones come after. Like right now, look. Look, see? Look at my pole. I just put it down.
What if it goes in the ocean?
I don't know if I'm trying to get ready to cut some bait.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Six, get it!
Keep an eye on that for me, okay? Just keep an eye on it.
Kind of hold it.
No, don't grab it yet. Don't grab it yet. I want to make sure that it really catches. I want to cut some bait. Nope, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. I just put bait out there.
Oh, we should fall through those. Squid. You squid.
You got a lot of legs.
Ew!
That's the head. That's the best part. It tastes good.
You're gonna eat it? Can you eat squid?
Yeah, calamari. You never had calamari?
I like calamari.
Oh, I love calamari. It's a shame because this is really, that's all this is. They're selling you calamari.
Look at that.
All you have to do is clean it.
Is your daughter's style as big as her personality? Have her show up on day one in iconic checkerboard bands. All the famous brands to pick whatever your kids are famous for.
See? Get your pull!
Did you need any more on that yellow one?
Get your pull! Get your pull!
Hold on a
Oh my
second.
god. It's about to go in.
Hold on a second. Let's see.
Get it.
I think I gotta check my bait.
It's wiggling. It's wiggling.
Oh, I gotta set you up. Who wanted a pole?
Me.
Okay, hold on a second. Do me a favor, hold that.
Oh my god. Ciao, ciao. I see the fish. Oh my god, something really. It's biting. It's like it's biting a lot. Watch. Watch. You don't.
Let's give you some of these.
Oh, you just dropped it. Guys, feel it. Guys, no, we don't. Nothing's there. You touched it.
You're getting bites.
Yeah, it must be coming back again.
Bites. It's coming up. It's coming up. Come on. It's starting to get hard. I feel it. What?
Okay.
There's a fish with the...
Probably took my bait.
It's like a bait.
I think they did, huh?
Yeah. Check.
Yeah, hold that for me. I gotta wash my hands.
You don't touch this fish.
Yeah, but touching squid, I got stinky hands. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me close this.
Can you try? I feel bite. What?
Oh, you might have one.
Oh, she does. She does. She does.
Let's see. Let's see. Oh, you got a good one. Okay, you gotta come this way. Yeah. Reel it in that way. You guys are out fishing your father.
Go. I'm getting it. Oh, help.
Well, I want to make sure she can catch it. When you want me to help you, tell me. I don't want to take it away. But you need to pull it over here.
Hello.
Let me see something for a second.
Oh my god.
Yeah, because you got to get away from the motor or we're going to lose it like we did the last one. That's your fish all day long.
Yes, we got got it.
We just put that in the water too. Imagine that.
Good job, Sophia.
Literally, just put that in the water.
Oh my god. That's my.
That's all yours.
Dad, is that the first fish I got? Dad!
Oh, these hooks are breaking.
Dad has one.
I can't, but oh, you sold me junk hooks.
These fish are mean.
Okay, we got to put that one in the bag. This can go back out again. You still got bait on that part. Let me. Yeah, I'll never buy these hooks again. Okay. We just got to put this in there.
Got a lot of fish.
We got a lot of fish.
Okay, calm down, fish.
All right.
Fish.
Hey, he's a
Fish.
scrapper.
I want to do one.
Okay, there we go. Now I got to wash my hands again.
Got one.
Again, boy, you're lucky. Look at you do.
This is my
Wow,
third fish.
you're just nailing them.
Oh my god.
Well, we got to give this one a little slack because
Whoa.
Two
There's
hooks on with two baits. You got twice the chance.
she's yeah. I mean, they only bite one at a time, but
Oh, this is the third one I'm getting.
boy, you're you're the big winner today.
Wonder if I'm.
Look at this thing. Look. And I'm getting hit.
Dad, what did you get?
It's got another one.
Yeah.
Look at you go.
Calm down.
Wow.
That one really needs to breathe.
Yeah, you're just catching them left and right, aren't you?
That one really is.
Geez, if we were keeping score, I think you'd be winning. Yeah, I'm gonna get yours right back out there because you're the lucky fisherman today. Yeah, let's get that back out there.
That's funny.
Wow, you're the fisherman today. Okay, yeah, you hold that. You got it? Dang.
Well, it really has to breathe. Look at it.
Oh, he's gonna breathe in the bag. he's gonna breathe his last breath. He's doing the I don't want to go in the grill dance. Dang. You getting another one? I ain't got time to sit down.
Yep.
You are, aren't you?
The other one is biting.
Oh, you're in a good spot. You found a good spot. I bet you I ain't even got any bait left. Oh, these guys going out with nets. I don't think I got any. I ain't got no bait. I got some, but I gotta put bigger pieces, I think. Seems like I put the bigger pieces on your fish. I mean, on your hook, and you're really getting them. I'm gonna use the head.
The head.
Yeah. Oh, look. Give him something tasty.
Oh, got one again.
Wow, I can't even put bait on my hook. You're just catching all the fish. You want me to get it or you got it?
I got it. This one.
Oh, you're killing me. You too? Oh, this is a girls' night out.
You guys up there are getting everything.
She's getting everything. You gotta, yeah, I will, but give me a moment.
Oh, Sophia got one.
Yeah, this is like your fifth one, fourth one.
I feel raindrops.
Look at you go.
I'm not too strong, guys.
All right, let me get it.
I'm strong.
Let's see if he's still there. Oh, he's still there.
Come on, come on. Fish, get up here. I got it. Yes. Don't bring it in me.
She just keeps catching them. I can't even.
Turn that now.
I'm waiting to put the bait on, and I can't because she just keeps catching them.
Oh, he's trying to eat it. Look, there's still some.
Can you hold that for me, please?
How do you have a turn with it?
I got another.
What if every time I put the fishing pole in, I got a fish?
Well, that seems to be what's happening.
Can I have a turn with it?
You'd have to ask. That's your sister's pole.
Can I have a turn, Sophia? No.
I'll set you up with a pole.
But this one.
I know it's a lucky pole, but it might not be the pole. It might be her. Sometimes people
It's
just
probably.
lucky. All right, I got to get in there to put the fish in.
Hello.
Sophia.
I know. You're making me look bad. I keep taking Sophia. I have to keep taking her fish off the hooks. Shake up the chum pot. I can't believe it again. Oh, I do.
Hey, Uncle Zero. Thank you. Let's try to get as many fish as we can.
Yeah, we want to fill that bag up. Whoa!
Come on, fish.
Oh, he's a runner.
He's going. He's strong. Is he strong? Got a fish.
Look. You could be crossing my line though. Let's see. No, you might have a fish. You do, don't you? I gotta check. This one might be close for the size.
Wait,
It's got to be 10 inches.
my fish is going.
Yep.
How many fish?
Lydia. She can leave it there. We can tell it's a bite on it.
That one's probably 10 inches, but I gotta check.
Whoa. What is that for?
And he probably would make. I'm gonna throw him back though.
Why?
Well, he's close, but
Uh-oh. As soon as I throw my line up this way,
well, that's Lydia's spot though. Let me at least get my bait out there, yeah?
I don't have them yet.
That's what you want. Those are probably the big ones. What happened? He's having a hell of a fight. You might make sure they got the drag set so you don't snap the line.
Oh, that's you!
Oh, it's a big one. Yeah, let's bring that puppy right in. Okay, if you can release that.
this thing here.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh my God.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
As soon as I toss my line that way.
Yeah, she found the golden spot right there.
How are you doing? It was
that?
blood on it. Ooh. That must have hurt.
Down there?
Yeah, that must have hurt.
Well,
Can you cut the fish open?
we're not going to do it now.
I'm never getting a fish again. I think I got all the fish in front of the boat. Guys, your boat, you said?
Hold on a second.
So these are called cup
Yeah. Or porgy.
or what?
Porgy's another name.
So with this bait, we wouldn't catch anything else?
Oh yeah, you could catch anything, but around here,
What
I got to put more on there. You could catch. You could even catch stripers if they were around. Tautog, just about everything will eat. They're full. Just about everything will eat squid. I use squid for everything.
I got a fish.
Yeah, Olivia needs some squid.
Hi.
Just hold on a second so that the striped bass, you gotta throw them back. You gotta throw them back if they're over 35 inches. You know how many striped bass are out there right now? I've never seen so many striped bass as long as I've been fishing in my life.
Why you gonna throw it back?
Because their idea is that the fishery was getting low.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything.